guys, Awesome Girl Hunter here, and oh crap, I am in the left corner, over here. If you don't see me, I'm sorry. The recorder looks a little like that because they're see-through because I don't know. It's just the way this setup is. I got a new setup for my laptop, and so we gotta use that. So there wasn't so many ads. Hope you guys can see me. Okay. Now you guys can kind of see me over here. Over here. Hi. Okay. And we are going to be playing Will You Press the Button. Now, I've seen Markiplier play this, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta play this. I actually want to play Would You Rather after Creepypasta Girl 1654, but it wouldn't pop up. So, we're playing Will You Press the Buttons, just like just like Would You Rather, only different. Okay. Let's see, you can have anything you want for an hour, but you can never obtain or just it again. Since I don't know what that means, I will not do it because I have no idea what that means. Bad? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. You can hear anyone's thoughts in your mind, but you cannot turn it off. So I can basically hear or read any mind ever. Well, like if you have your mind just like if you have a bunch of people in one room and like everybody, you can only read everybody's mind at once and like it's all at once. I wouldn't like that. That would give me a migraine. I will not. Bad. Everything you've ever wanted is free for you, but you have to live in a college dorm for your entire life. You know what? It's not reality. Here we go. I pressed it. You can have a parallel life as the opposite gender that you are able to switch between at any time you please. But the current you will have suffered a horrible accident and you look ugly for the rest of your life. That other will not. No. Bad? You think this party first would want to get all smashed up and look, have like an eyeball sewed in right here? And this sewed up and be like, hey y'all! Eyeball flicking around here. No. I don't know if that's even possible. Is it possible? Comment down below and say if it's possible or not. Because I want to know. You get a random ability and know everything about it, but the ability will have a random downside that only applies when you use the ability. Good. Okay. You can hear animals talk, but you will never be able to talk again. Some people would actually like that. And to hear what Teddy's thinking, I would love that. And like, you have the ability to write down stuff. So yeah, I will. I'm pressing the button. Yeah, totally. You get $12 million, but you can only pay in pennies. You know what? It's $12 million. I'm going for it. Is that reality? Please tell me that's reality. That one I'm not even going to say because it's inappropriate. I am only a little girl. I should not be having those kind of questions. you have the ability to play every instrument perfectly with no flaws, but you don't have the ability to speak. Again, you can write down stuff. You have the ability to write. Yes, I will press the button. I would love to know how to play the guitar. I sound horrible. You can fly. I believe I can fly. I'm actually putting that in here if I can find it. But you constantly feel like you're wearing wet socks. Okay, I like the feeling of wet socks, actually. I don't know why, but I like the feeling of wet socks, so I'm going for it, yeah. I don't care. I'll press it, yeah. I believe I can fly. I'm totally editing that in here if I can. At any time, change the body of your romantic partner to your preference and they will not mind, but they change your body to that their preferences. I'm pretty sure. No. Pretty sure I actually have a boyfriend in real life, and I'm pretty sure that my boyfriend wouldn't change the way I look, and I wouldn't change the way he looked. So yeah, totally. Sorry, I found a flea in my hand. You get to have amazing powers and travel the world. But your best friend betrays you. Tina! How could you? How could you? No. I don't even like traveling the world, so. That's what it said, right? Traveling the world? Right? I don't know. You meet Santa Claus! Ah! But no one believes you. Nobody believes me anyway, so yeah. I'll press it. Yeah! Good! You have infinite money, but you can't spend it on it yourself. Why even bother? I'm selfish. I'm a selfish person. Little kids aren't allowed to speak while online gaming, but you must watch the beginning of the Pixar movie Up without crying. I do that anyway. So yeah. Good. You get to have any superpower of your choosing, but you can only use it once a day. Yeah, I would love the power to be invisible. Invisible. Then I could like turn invisible, and while Tina was spinning the night here, I would turn invisible, and then I would like go up behind her and I'd poke her in the head, and she wouldn't know where I'd be, and I kept poking her in the head. Dina, if you're watching this, I am so sorry, but yes, I would do that. Yes, I will press it. You can freeze time whenever and however long you want, but you continue to age when time is frozen. Okay. It's not like it's reality, so yeah, go ahead. You can get every single game on Steam as soon as it releases, but you're not allowed to have any friends on Steam. I don't even use Steam, so yeah. And guys, well, I have to go. But this was fun. But this was fun. Remember to like, subscribe. Sorry, I didn't mean to do the outro yet. This was really, really fun, and I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below if you want me to do it again, because I will, and I promise you, I will do it. So, that's it. So, like, subscribe, favorite, share, comment. Peace out, suckers.